Whispers of Nature. It's a poem of nature beauty, the beauty of nature surrounding us. So feel the beauty with heart. Let's begin the poem. Whispers of Nature. The morning sun peeks through the trees, dancing with the gentle breeze. Birds awaken songs so sweet, nature's rhyme calm and neat. A brook of flowers soft with silver light, reflecting skies both blue and bright. Flowers bloom in color wide, bees and butterflies side by side. Mountains stand in silent grace, clouds drift by in a soft embrace. In nature's arm I find my place, a peaceful heart, a steady pace. Thank you.